Taijiang National Park is situated at the crossroads of rivers and the sea, the only wetland-based national park in Taiwan. Here are two sites of international importance and two sites of national importance. Sediment deposition and the tides present the coastal areas and the estuaries with extraordinary ecosystem productivity. Herein lie the kidneys of the earth, providing important habitats for a myriad of species of wildlife, on a par with tropical rainforests and coral reefs. According to studies, 40% of plants and animals listed as threatened or endangered depend on wetlands for their survival. The population of the black-faced spoonbills once dipped below 300 individuals. Listed as critically endangered, the species was a major global concern. Asian countries worked hard for many years to address this situation. Taijiang National Park played its part with its conservation efforts and its promotion of bird-friendly agriculture. The population has since grown steadily over the years. In January 2023, the global population of black-faced spoonbills reached a total of 6,603. The overall wintering population in Taiwan is 4,228, and more than 2,000 are found in the Taijiang area. Taijiang is currently the most significant site for the black-faced spoonbills. Birds are living proof that countless species rely on migration to survive. The black-faced spoonbill's journey is merely a minute part of the grand scheme of wildlife migration that operates in sync with seasonal changes. The spoonbills choose to fly thousands of kilometers to winter at the river mouth of Zhenwen because it offers them a safe and bountiful environment. A bird's choice is a salient indicator of a healthy habitat. The successful conservation of the black-faced spoonbills is a delightful example. It is also a symbol of hope. That same hope underlines the core values of national parks, which strive to protect the biodiversity of our natural world and to ensure sustainability in the long run.